This is very beautiful toy. Kelidoscope was invented by the Scottish scientist David Brewster and first publicly announced in 1817. Kaleidoscope is an optical instrument with two or more reflecting surfaces titled to each other at an angle, so that one or more objects on one end of the mirrors are seen as a regular symmetrical pattern when viewed from the other end due to repeated reflection. This toy widely used in designing industry and very good for students. They can explore this toy, they can make new designs. This is very beautiful toy.